Hey Butcher, how you doing, Butcher? You hungry? You hungry, Butcher? Yeah, you want to have something to eat? I'll give you something to eat. Stay there, Butcher. Stay there. Give me something to eat. What do you got? Yeah, Butcher. Yeah. Have some. Come on. It's rice. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Very good. Flavored with paprika and cayenne pepper. Oh, wonderful. We got some more. There's a bit of a chicken as well. Why don't you have a bit of chicken? Yeah, one rice kernel at a time. Yeah, I seem to be very hungry, eh? Yeah, I am still. You're welcome. You just take whatever you like. Come on. Oh, good. That's Hungarian cooking, isn't it? Did you cook it, chef? Did you cook it? Or did Emma cook it? Or was it Torga? Yeah. Oh, I'll pick up every rice kernel. That's basmati rice, isn't it? Yeah, by the size. It is. Chicken. Yeah. Chicken. And one more chicken. And I'm gonna pick the big rice. It might fly away with the meat lump. What sort of lump of meat is it? That chicken? Yeah. Oh, you're welcome to eat it. Yeah, now you're gonna fly away. Think you should fly away with that one? I'll let you fly away if you can. Just grab the chicken and fly away. Oh yeah, you wonder who I am, huh? I'm Louis the dog. I go for a walk every afternoon with my master. Yeah, while you eat your chicken. I do what I like doing. Come on. What's the problem? Hey, Butchie, eat your chicken. Come on, eat your chicken. That's right there. Right there. Come on, fly away. Fly outside. Yeah, good idea. Hey, come on. Good, Jay. Let's go. Come on. I'm back in the water. Yeah. Look at the low tide. Good low tide. I like it. Come on. it's windy. Yeah, it's windy, master. It's the northerly blow, isn't it? All the sand and the leaves get blown up into my eyes. It's time we make a move. What do you reckon? Are we gonna make a move? Yeah, let's go, eh? Is he ready? Yeah, I think he is. Okay, let's go. Let's make a move, eh? Shut up! Let's go. Don't think I'm a bloody noodle. I'm not a tortoise here. I might bite your nose if you're nasty to me. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Ta-da! I'm back! Right, let's go home now. Come on, let's go. Let's pick up Dizzy. You big fat head. Wonder where Charlie is. Hey, Digi Luigi, have you ever seen Charlie? I don't think you have. He's a massive croc. We used to work together in Hollywood on the movie Dangerous Animals. He's a hilarious guy. Oh, I love him. But he's also dangerous when he gets aggro. He's got long teeth, the bugger. So you have to be quick. But I always teased him. And he chased me, but he's no good running on land, you know.